Hello, welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy, and today, I have exciting news. Trying to decide if I'm going to tell you right now or if I should tell you at the end. First of all, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do today. I've been working on updating some old decor items that make me happy, but they just don't go with the kind of style that I'm using now. So I'm taking brown to black and gold. A little bit of grays. I love it so much. So I'm excited to show you how you can update something that you already have and turn it into something you will be happy to have. Now, let me tell you my exciting news. My sisters and I have started a new YouTube channel, and it launched 2 days ago. I would highly recommend when you get finished watching this video, you go over to the Furniture Flipping Sisters YouTube channel. We've got some great content. We've been flipping furniture all of our lives, and so now we're going to show you what we've learned, and we're going to teach some strategies of how to make money selling things online in the Facebook marketplace. But let's talk about what we're doing today. I absolutely love doing do-it-yourself projects, and today is gonna be fantastic. So let's have some fun. Have you ever looked around at your decor and thought to yourself, this is looking dated. It's not exactly how I want things to look. Well, I have. And today I'm going to show you 2 techniques for updating your decor so you don't have to buy something new. Let me give you an example. This is a decorative piece. It's brown. I love the shape of it, but I don't really use browns in my house. And I love all these different details, so I got to figure out a way to create something that I will love from this. And here's another piece. I love the shape. It looks really fun to me, but I don't love the color. It doesn't go with anything else in my house. So once again, I need to put on my thinking cap and figure out how can I glam this up. My final piece that I want to tie together with the other 2 pieces is this vase. I love the shape of the vase, but I don't love the color scheme. So I was thinking, I did a post on the Furniture Flipping Sisters that's going to be going live tomorrow, and it was showing a piece of furniture that I added just a little bit of gold to, and it turned it around. And that you can see if you want to go see that post. But the idea is I want to use gold in my decor. So first of all, let's see. I think I'm going to do a little bit of white. I know it sounds crazy. Wait, I thought you said gold. Well, stick with me here. I want the base of this to be white, and I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to go about that. So I'm going to start off with just painting with some of this white paint that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, the reason why I'm not just spray painting this is I want there to be some texture to the decoration, I guess. I don't want it to just be a spray. Now, look, I'm the person who loves spray painting. I love the look of spray paint, but on this particular item, I thought it would look better with a little bit of texture. So I'm sort of making this up as I go along, but as I put some paint on there, I realized, yeah, I'm liking this better. I like to be able to see a little bit of the darker color coming up from behind. You can't really tell if it's brown or what color it is. It's just a little bit of dark. Once that paint started to dry a little bit, I took a dry brush and just started scratching on it a little bit to make it so that it had some texture but not distinctive paintbrush strokes. And as I'm doing this, I realize, yeah, now we're starting to get to where I like what I see. This is getting closer to something that will make me happy. So I'm going to go ahead and do a similar technique on the second piece that I showed you earlier. But now that I know what I want to do, I just kind of brushed it on with a brush. Now, remember how I said a little bit of gold goes a long way? Well, I went ahead and taped off my pieces and just painted a few little spots with gold. I didn't want it to be overwhelming, all gold. I just wanted it to have some pops here and there. And as far as that vase goes, I went ahead and painted the whole thing gold. This is with one coat. It definitely needed 2 coats of paint. But then, after I gave some gold little trim to my pieces and my vase is gold, now I'm loving it. This is what I'm talking about. See how I took some old pieces that really I wasn't using and wouldn't use, glammed them up and made them look great. Okay, now I'm going to show you another technique. This one is a candlestick holder that's kind of worn and beat up, but I like the oldness of it. And then I just took a terracotta pot and painted it black and a candle holder. I like the idea of these 3 pieces that aren't matchy-matchy going together. So I put paint black, I spray painted black paint on all of them and then taped off. Now I want to talk to you about when you're taping something off. If you want a perfect line, you need to do this technique. You tape it off and cover up any place that you don't want. Then you spray the same color that you have underneath. On this particular one, I didn't. I skipped over it, and then my line wasn't straight. So if your candlestick is black, tape it off and spray paint black again before you put the gold on, and then it won't seep up underneath. Now what I do is I get a whole bunch of items that I want to paint and I put them in a box, and I know like, this whole box is going to be gold, this whole box is going to be black, so I can keep track of where I'm at. I really like flat black right now, but sometimes I still use shiny black. It just depends on what look you're going for. But the idea is if I'm painting a bunch of pieces at once, I'm not wasting my time and energy. And so this is what it looks like when there's flat black. And actually, I came up with an idea of even taping off the flat black or the shiny black, and I wanted to make it flat black. So I just taped it off and then painted a flat black over it. That's hard to say fast. And then when I pulled the tape, it just had black on black, but so one stripe was shiny. It was very subtle, but I really liked it. And I have to say, black and gold is kind of becoming my thing. So I took a few more candlesticks, a few more pots, a few more little this and that, and gave them some black and gold. And I think I'm going to be staging a lot of my home with black and gold now. You can do it with candles, with plants, or even if you wanted to put flowers in the pot. Any way you go, you could change these out depending on the holidays. And oh yes, black and gold is the answer for me for now. So if you like what you see here, please like, subscribe, and share it out where you can. There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Turning your decor around, giving it an update, doesn't have to break the bank, and it doesn't have to take a lot of time. It's just worth giving it a little effort. You don't have to throw things out to make them something you can just love and enjoy in your home. Now, thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. You're going to be surprised because now there's going to be a link. Check out the Furniture Flipping Sisters. Just launched 2 days ago. We already have 2 videos up and we're going to have 2 more. You know, when you flip your furniture, it doesn't have to break the bank. That's my motto. And it doesn't have to be a huge time commitment. We do it as a side gig and we're starting to make some money. If you want to know how we do it, click on this video right here or this one right here. See ya!